Time is not a passing cloud. It is a diamond we must carve. For many talented people who struggle to succeed, the biggest obstacle is a simple habit called procrastination. This story illustrates how that habit impacts a person's life. In a small town, there lived a young boy. He was intelligent and had supportive parents, but he had one bad habit. He postponed everything. Whatever he was asked to do, he would say, "I'll do it later," and waste his time. After he failed an important exam, his father took him to see a wise Zen master. The wise man shared this story with the boy. Once, a poor fisherman went to the river to fish while it was still dark. His foot struck a small cloth bag. When he opened it, he felt what seemed like common stones inside. Since he had to wait for the sun to rise, he began throwing the stones into the river one by one to pass the time. He enjoyed the sound of the stones splashing in the water, using the activity to forget his worries. Finally, only one stone remained in the bag. Just then, the sun began to rise. When the first ray of light hit the stone in his hand, he realized it wasn't a stone, it was a diamond. Shocked, he turned the bag upside down, but it was empty. He had thrown away a fortune that could have protected his family for generations, thinking they were just ordinary pebbles in the dark. He stood there crying, holding the one remaining diamond. The wise man looked at the boy and said, "You are just like that fisherman. Every hour and every minute of your life is a diamond, but you treat them like worthless stones, saying, 'I will do it tomorrow,' and you throw them into the river of time." The wise man explained that while the fisherman only had one diamond left at dawn, the boy's dawn was just beginning. He still had many diamonds left in his bag. Realizing this, the boy stopped wasting even a single minute. He began to work hard and soon became a great success. Time is not paper to be spent. It is a diamond to be saved. We can never recover lost time, but if we use the time we have right now, we can make our lives shine. There is no use worrying about the past. If we realize that every second remaining is a diamond, we can achieve things even greater than what we lost. The time that passed consists of stones. The time in your hand consists of diamonds. The one who uses time wisely becomes the true winner in life. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.